Hey guys, what's up? This is Alex Gordon coming from the Creepypasta Development. Today I'm going to be showing you part 2 of the chair model, but I kind of wanted to do something different. I told you last time we were going to texture it. I want to go into more detail on modeling it. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take and go and make some more detail into the back of the chair, along with the legs too. So what we're going to do here is we're going to click this, we're going to hit tab, control R, and we're going to scroll up 3 times to make 3 cut loops here, and then we're going to go into edge select mode and hit Alt, select this, and then we're going to scale this one down, Alt again, double click that, sorry about that, I accidentally hit my timeline there, scale this up, sorry I forgot to tell you guys, double click that for you guys that don't know, scale this one down, then we're going to add another cut loop, so we're going to double click to center it, double click to center it, and we're going to scale this one out, or scale this one in, and then we're going to go and actually scale this one out, the outside ones here, scale this one out there, and then that's the look we're going to go for here. So again, the same thing, control R 3 times, scale in, and the reason I scale in first is so I know where I want to put the cut loop at. So I know where to scale out, actually, I should say. Then we're going to click these, delete, X delete. Then we're going to click this one, Shift D, X, move it on over, Shift D, X, and move it on over, and then duplicate it again. And one more time, there you go. So now that that's done, we're going to select these by holding on Shift and clicking them. We're not going to worry about the bottom down there since you're not going to even see it. And we're going to hit Control J to make it all one object. You don't want to do this with everything, but for this it doesn't really matter because of the way there's going to be a wood texture on it, and it has all different patterns, so you're not going to really even notice. So we're going to do the same thing with the legs down here, except we're not going to join them together. We're going to 3, and then same thing. Select them here, there we go. Again, I'm doing this in edge select mode. If you guys don't know where that's at, it's down here in this little panel down here. Edge select mode right there. And we're going to do the same thing, delete, 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 and then Shift E and Y. Put that there, and we're going to hold down, and then we're going to hold down Shift, select this one, Shift E and X, duplicate it on over. Okay, now that that's done, what we're going to want to do is we're going to select the chair, and we're going to go over the modifiers panel, which is on this little panel over here under the wrench. Go add modifier, subdivision subsurface, and you see it kind of deforms your chair. So what we're going to do is we're going to go tab edit mode, control R, click, and then we're going to move on over. It's right there, click again, just once, move it on over. Then you get this weird deformation in the side of the chair, so what we're going to want to do is hit control R again, center your cursor kind of right there so it goes, the cut loop is in the middle, click it, move it on up, click it again, move it on down. And the way I'm moving it is just moving up and down with the mouse. For you guys that don't know, the other way I'm moving around is with holding on the scroll button and moving around again for you guys that never used Blender before. And apologize for the guys that have. But anyway, another way to do this, and then what we're going to do now to get rid of the cement block, is we're going to hit subdivision 2, bring down the render to 0. And hit Ultimate Display, and what that does, it just smooths everything out, so you don't get a concrete block look. So then we're going to go over to the side panel over here and go where it says shading, and we're going to click smooth. So now you see how you get this really cool looking chair, the smooth cushion, and everything like that, and it's not looking like cement. So now what we're going to do to make it a little bit better is we're going to take and hit Control again, right in the center, double click it to center it, and hit S and scale on in. That kind of gives it almost like a form to it, pretty much, not just a block. So now that that's done, what we're going to want to do is just hit apply to the subdivision. That way we can texture it later. When we go into texturing, it makes it just a lot easier, because I found out it doesn't texture well sometimes, and I'm not sure why when it's not applied on this, but for the certain texture I'm using, at least that I'm using, but for now, just go ahead and apply it, and we'll be good to go for our next tutorial. So I hope you guys learned something from this one of how you can take something simple and put character to it pretty much and make detail to certain things like this. And you can go in and apply a lot more detail, adding like seams on the chair or like bolts under the chair, like that's holding it on. Again, it's for game mode in UDK, so you're not going to really even walk up to it that close or anything, but it still looks really cool. So again, in the next tutorial, I'll be showing you how to unwrap and texture it, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So again, I'm Alex Gordon from Creepypasta Development, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.